Alright guys, time to crack this drain bolt loose using our 13mm socket. Sometimes we have to put a little bit of applied force. Sometimes it does not come off automatically. What you want to also do is keep your socket on the drain bolt, so that way when applying pressure to the socket, you don't strip the head of that drain bolt. There she go. Now inspect your drain plug for any metal shavings. Alright guys, using our oil filter wrench, what we're going to do here is we're going to loosen up our oil filter, our spin-on oil filter, and just so that way we can easily spin it down by hand. Now while we're doing that, it's a simple fact, so that way we can let some of the oil drain down. So when we remove the filter from the housing, we don't have a whole bunch of oil spouting out our arm, and we're preventing a mess. So when we get into a customer's car, we don't put that oil into their car. As you can see, some of the oil is dripping down. Make sure you clean that up. Now watch how I pull this down with the gasket facing up. That way the remaining oil does not cause a mess on us. We're going to inspect for the O-ring to see if it came off. Bada bing. Going to place that in there. Don't forget to clean your oil filter housing area. Just make sure you grab a nice rag and just clean it up. Just have unnecessary oil dripping on you for no reason. So just clean up your areas. Just wipe down as you go along. Sometimes you can wait to the end. Whatever floats your boat, just make sure you keep it clean and keep it tight. Alright guys, as you can see, we already went ahead and prepped our filter. We put our oil in it and put our oil around our gasket, so that way it doesn't stick when next time we need to take it off. Filter installed. We went ahead and tightened up our drain bolt. It's time to add our Amsoil 5W20. We're going to be adding 4.5 quarts today. We're going to let it run, and we're going to check the levels. All right, guys, we got it started. Time to check for leaks. So what we're going to do here is we're going to check under by the filter, make sure that there's no oil dripping from the filter. And we're also going to check the drain plug to make sure that the drain plug is not leaking as well. Five minutes later, as you guys can see, the oil is still holding within the system. The oil filter is not leaking, and the drain plug is not leaking. Time to shut it off and check the levels. That's where your T30 for your skid plate goes, so don't forget to put that back on. You need that. All right, guys, time to check the level. I had already checked the first time, and we're gonna wipe it off, let it run all the way down to the oil pan. As you can see, that the back arrow closest to my hand, that's where you want your oil level to be, at that right there. Right there. That's where you want it to be. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, hit that notification bell to stay tuned when we drop more content. Thank you for tuning in to Just Lube Go and See, and you guys have a great and amazing day.